Go.
What's this? Ow. What's this? Oh! Thank you, Mommy and Daddy!
What is it?
I don't need an iPod. I don't need an iPod! Thank you, Mommy and Daddy! The best mom ever! Get it set up, please.
Best mom ever? What the?
Daddy bought.
Hey, I'm glad you recorded that. I'm glad you recorded that.
Listen.
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy. You're the best mom ever.
Wait.
Dad set this up for me.
Do the iPod dance. Do the iPod dance.
Yes! I got my own iPod!
I think since you're thinking since Mommy
Logan.
Mommy ever, she should set it up.
How excited are you?
Super excited. Will you?
Give me some jazz hands. Give me some jazz hands.
I guess Daddy's chopped liver.
And Mom, Daddy.
Why did you want an iPod?
I don't know. Well, tonight we'll download a game.
Well, you might have something else that you can download again with yourself.
Okay. I know what that is.